Hey foodies, it's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make vegan creamy mushroom pasta. This mushroom pasta recipe is to die for. From the luscious sauce that coats every strand of pasta to the earthy and tender shiitake mushrooms that everybody loves. Guys, it's a hit! Trust me on this one. I'm very excited to try it, so let's get cooking! Start by bringing a pot of salted water to the boil. Cook the pasta according to package directions. Once it's cooked to al dente, reserve about 2/3 of a cup of the pasta water, then drain and set aside. Remove and discard the stems from the shiitake mushrooms and slice them thinly. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onions and mushrooms and sauté for about 4 to 5 minutes until soft and lightly browned. Add the minced garlic and sprinkle with smoked paprika. Stir and cook until the garlic is fragrant for about 30 seconds. Pour the beer over and stir to remove any brown bits stuck on the bottom of the pan. Allow it to simmer until most of the beer evaporates, about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in the vegan cream and season with salt and pepper. Allow it to simmer for a few minutes, then add in the pasta water and stir to combine. Add in the cooked pasta and using a pair of tongs, stir until the spaghetti is nicely coated with the creamy sauce. Add the creamy mushroom pasta to a serving bowl and garnish with chili flakes. This is so good! You need this pasta in your life, foodies! That was it for today. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on Blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!